Hello everyone, I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend, and today is Sunday here right now, and we're gonna give you our watch list and tell you the scenarios that we have for this 4 page that I prepared for you guys. And make sure you follow us and subscribe to our channel. We're gonna have more content for you guys as well. The market is now open. I'm just gonna give you my thoughts on the pairs that I prepared. I'm gonna start with Canadian dollar and Japanese yen, or CADJPY. For the weeks, we had this bullish move to the up, and right now we're at this zone. And this is like a weekly support, and I drew this zone. And right now, if you can see in daily time frame, we can see this like bearish move to the downside, and there's like the trend line here, and we are close at this area. So basically, it's a simple just break and retest. And so if the price will break above the bearish trend line that I have, I will wait for the retest on it, and then I will, if it rejected, I'm gonna take the buy, which is based on the weekly time frame, is the most likely that I want to see. And if that's not the case, and if we came here and the price rejected at the previous days, and I'm gonna go for the short until here, which is gonna be the weekly support. And and if you break below it, I will, continue the ride. So basically, this is one of the simple scenarios that you guys can have, and start with support and resistance. And if you guys have any other strategy, you can like put it on, and it will also give you the information, the signal entry. Upon the entry, we're not in trades yet. This is just the analysis that we have. And the next one is gonna be GBPJPY, and oh my god, sorry. And I'm gonna go. This is a daily time frame in GBPJPY, and as you guys can see, we have this move to the upside, and when for the general trend is bullish right now, as we can see. And so we had this zone here. It was this resistance, and it's now acting as a support, and there's also fake out here. So it makes a clear idea, gives a clear idea about like this gonna be bullish movement down here. And so right now there is another zone here. So it was like the previous, it was support, and then we break below the support, and then we just check right back up, and then like consolidating here. And right now we are also again above the zone, and we also have this trend line down here that I drew. So it would have made sense for me, like if I see like a like a push to the upside, and then I will wait for the retest, because the retest is gonna have confluence with the support area and also the bullish trend line. And then if I see like a good candle, like a rejection candle, like the two formation candles, or like a hammer or whatever, I will see. I will take the buy, and This is gonna be the first target, which is the first resistance, and the last target is gonna be all the way down here. And that's not the case, and if we close below this area, I'm probably gonna take a short here, uh, here until this zone, and then we might continue, and then the retest and continue to the downside. This is like a pretty solid, just with the zones, support and resistance, and trend lines. And the third one is gonna be GBPUSD. Oh, sorry. Okay, this is the daily time frame, as we can see, and here this is one of the major key zones that we can see. So the price like dropped, and it's gonna like continue, and then we come up just to have another one. And right now if we break above here, so we're gonna have to like to start to it's gonna start to breaking the structure of the bearish. So this move is gonna like this just like it's gonna ignore this low here, and then I'm gonna start like like a higher high, higher low. So I'm gonna wait for the retest is here, wait for the retest, and I will see like how the candles will form during the weekend, and if like I said, if we close above here, I'm not gonna take a buy here because like it's like a counter trend though right now, and because of the weekly, the pressure of the weekly is like so bearish right now. I wouldn't take the buy here, but if the price comes around 128, it's gonna be a good indication for a sell. Uh, because I have confluence with the trend, like a higher time frame, and also it's going to be the fib, and also 128 is one of the occasions that can act as resistance or support. I have to wait for let's see what happened here. So basically, if the price is going to come here, I'm probably gonna like break for it, and if even though if it's gonna like break the structure to be bullish, so the price was probably gonna come here, and like if you wanna like continue the bullish move, so it's gonna make a higher high, and then it's gonna make a higher low, and it's also be like it's probably gonna come down for a retest. So if I'm wrong, if my analysis are also gonna be wrong for for the sell, I'm probably gonna have like a chance to getting uh at least like maybe like 20 to 20 or like 50 pips, whatever. And then if came here and didn't go down, it's gonna reject it, and it's gonna continue to go up. But if that's not the case, it's gonna continue to go down, or like maybe do a retest and continue to go down all the way here. And for the EURJPY, okay, so the price is, as you can see, so the general trend is bullish right now, and we have this trend line on the daily here. Okay, so this is also like the simple break and retest, and so here we can see for the days this was a support, and now if we break below it, and then it was acted as a resistance here, and the price is right now here. And so basically, if gonna break above, I will wait for it. I'm not gonna get into the trade quickly. I will wait for the retest because it has confluence. It's gonna have confluence with the zone. It's gonna be support area, and it's also gonna be it's also have confluence with my trend line. And if I go to like a lower time frame, if I like drew my Fibonacci, it's gonna like make more sense. And then it's probably gonna go up to this zone and continue to breaking other, making high, low, high to the up. And if that's not the case and we stay below this zone, I'm probably gonna like wait for like a clear rejection, a clear candles, at least in the 1 hour time frame, or in the 30 minutes time frame to see the clear rejections. And then I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna get to the position for the short. I'm gonna go short, and the price will continue to go down. And yeah. All right, that's it for this video. It was a quick video, and just it this week because of I have another video about the fake out. I just want to like show you guys like with the simple strategy, just the trend line and support and resistance, you probably gonna be profitable and let's see what will happen. I will update you guys from the entries that I'm gonna have, and make sure you stay tuned. Thanks for listening, and can you please like and subscribe? Have a good one, guys.